Kerong, founded in 2002, Kerong has specialized in the development, manufacture, and sales of delivery parcel locker and storage locker accessories such as electronic locks, control boards, and infrared sensor, etc. for 21 years. Kerong's plant covers an area of 10,000 square meters. Kerong has advanced production equipment, precise inspection instruments, and complete testing equipment. Kerong has ISO 9001 Product Quality System certification and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification. The monthly production capacity of electromagnet locks is 180,000 sets, the monthly production capacity of motor locks is 60,000 sets, and the monthly production capacity of control board and infrared sensor is more than 20,000 sets. The monthly production capacity of cable is 150,000 PCS. Kerong currently has 25 R&D personnel and many utility model patents and invention patents. We have able and we believe that we can meet your requirements, and we are glad to accept ODM and OEM. Kerong has an affordable series of electromagnet lock products. Electromagnet locks use own electromagnets. Kerong has 12-axis automatic winding machine which can produce 10,000 PCS electromagnets per day. Kerong has its own skilled electromagnets production workers and quality control workers to control the electromagnets quality and lead time. The working life of the entire lock can be tested 500,000 times, and the warranty period is 3 years. Kerong has motor locks. It's with very low energy. The working voltage can be 4V 7.5V and 8V 24V, and the working current is 150 milliamperes and 100 milliamperes. They are widely used in solar parcel locker solutions and refrigerator solutions, etc. Kerong also has a waterproof lock which can be suitable for outdoor or high humidity environments. The waterproof rating is IP67. Kerong is very concerned about the safety system of the lock. All models have carried out a series of safety tests. Aging tests. Anti-vibration tests. Holding force tests. Salt spray tests. Working life tests. Burglar-proof tests, etc. to ensure their safety. Kerong has a complete range of control systems. We also accept customize. Kerong has different communication boards for TCP/IP, RS-485, Bluetooth communication, etc. Kerong lock control boards can be applied to locker with different door quantity. Kerong control boards use internationally renowned brand devices and support OTA online upgrade procedures. Kerong infrared sensor is used to detect whether the locker is empty or occupied. Kerong also has its own cable production workshop. Kerong has 22 professional and skilled quality control person professional quality control equipment and a perfect quality control system provide quality assurance for Kerong products. In the future, Kerong will continue to innovate, strictly grasp quality control, insist on being a reliable partner for customers, and provide customers with high-quality products and high-quality services. We practice the development strategy of developing good products, providing good services, and creating good brands. Taking intelligence, science, and technology and humanization as the development direction, we devote ourselves to making a world-famous cabinet lock company by unremitting efforts.